Nancy from English on English Training Academy, and today I'm here to talk about social media, and we will see the advantages and disadvantages of social media. Social media is an internet-based form of communication and a platform where it allows users to have conversation, share information and create web content. It is a tool that is becoming quite popular these days. So because of its user-friendly features, social media platform includes WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, etc. It has given chance to stay up to date with your family, friends across the distance, and all thanks to social media. But like there is always two sides to a coin. Same goes to social media. It has a positive and a negative side. So we will see the boon and ban of social media because different people have different opinion. So Miss, tell your views about social media.
Because of social media, now we can get any news in just a second, which made it more easy and time saving. It allows us to share information to all over the world, and people quickly get aware and they get to know what's going in the society. It is clear that when social media is used properly, it provides a wealth of information to us. News get viral into seconds and people get aware. Like the cases, reports and prevention of corona would reach to millions of people, and people would get to know about the seriousness of corona. Through social media, we can get all kind of news like about sports, politics, Bollywood and Hollywood, and all international news in our cell phone. Yes ma'am, same like advantage, there is also a like point of social media. On social media, so many people upload fake news. Same like, do you know, before some time there was huge fake news was that haircut, or like because of haircut there people were getting fear and students were not going in school, and their parents were also not allowing to go outside of the home. The same like that, there was a message like if you will tell your account number and your all the information, your money will increase, and they hack their when people started to give their information, all the people started to hack their account and they just collect their money.
Yes ma'am, tell your views about social media.
Social media is the platform which make people aware about many things, but by social media people get aware about any those like LGBT community. What is LGBT? But by people understand that it is not a crime. It is over social, which is similar in normal human.
Yes guys, social awareness help in people, children, teenagers, adults from the diverse background. Yes sir, tell your views about social media.
Cyberbullying is the use of cell phone inside chat room, messages, email.
Yes mister, tell your views about social media.
Social media is a very good, but something make it bad, like rumors. Lot of rumors are spreaded by social media, and many people believed on that blindly. One more rumors was spreaded that one HIV patient dropped his blood in cold drink, and whosoever will drink the cold drink would be infected by HIV. Even my parents were not allowing me to drink the cold drink. These rumors are totally fake, and we should not believe these rumors.
Yes guys, in COVID-19 we faced many rumors and prophecies which did not make any sense. So you should guys be aware of them. Yes ma'am, tell your views about social media.
Because if our family lives far from us, so we can easily approach to them through social media. That makes us feel that we are near to them, and approaching people through social media, we can approach to people on national and international level. Video call through social media is cheaper than the normal calls.
Social media is really beneficial in approaching people. We can approach to people in just few seconds through social media. It is also quick and easy. During Corona periods, millions of students took the help of social media by approaching to their teacher in just few seconds. By social media, we can approach to people on international basis.
Yes sir, more and over use of social media also make us no one socialize the friends and followers which we have on social media will be never there in our bedtime. The friends which we have in real life will always support us and help us in bedtime. More and more use of social media will make us lonely, and we become far from our parents and friends.
Yes, miss, you are right. You should use social media in a limit edition, but don't make it habit to an addiction. Yes, sir. Tell your views about social media.
As you all know, nowadays social media has become a platform where the people can share their lives, ideas and information too, and it is a great opportunity to the people who has talent, and they can't take it out because of the lack of the opportunity and chance. But social platform is a great hub of opportunity for those. There are a lot of examples which proves it, like Ravinder Singh, Runu Mundale, Justin Bieber, Sadev Kumar, etc. They are really talented and social media help them a lot to get their targets.
Social media is very useful, but it have lot of disadvantages also, like fake profiles. And nowadays many boys and girls create fake profiles on Facebook and Instagram, but it is normal. And lot of terrorists also make fake profiles on social media, and it is not good for us. And they posting harmful speeches, videos, and post on social media, and spread riots in our country. And a lot of cyber criminals also using fake profiles, and they searching innocent and those people who don't know about social media, and they trap us and they blackmail us and take money from those.
Yes, mister. Cyber criminals can create fake account and then they use bot network to distribute the script and create more fake account. Yes, sir. What's your view about this?
As like she told, nowadays we are getting that messages on WhatsApp. But do you think why it is happened? It happened because of selling our privacy. That companies are selling our privacy to another countries, and that another countries are sending to us fake messages and that calls. Before some days, that WhatsApp had faced a case. WhatsApp headquarters leaked chats and privacy of WhatsApp users.
Yes, guys, they can help cyber criminals to get your account and share more your privacy, your information. Yes, miss, tell your view about this.
Social media is a great hub of marketing and advertisement for business. It's allowed the marketing of a product to worldwide. Social media also help us in business purpose. We can promote our product in millions of people, and we can also connect our audience. There are many people who smartly run their business by help of social media. It is best of marketize our product and or service on international level.
Yes, ma'am, you are right. Online shopping is common nowadays, and it is possible to social media. We can buy anything from social media by sitting at home. There are so many villages where no common material things are available, and people are suffering so much. But social media made everything easily. There are so many apps and platforms.
Business is a great advantage of social media. You can connect with your audience, you can have a large number of audience, and you can get their feedback. Yes, sir. Tell your views about social media.
Social media has both sides, advantage and disadvantage. Using social media, especially children must be monitored at all time.
Otherwise, children get addiction of social media, which is quite common among the youth.
Yes, sir. This addiction hampers with academic performance. As a student, they waste their time on social media instead of studying. In short, surely social media has both a disadvantage and advantage. The youth must create balance between physical activities and social media.
Nowadays, the trolling is common on social media. The meaning of trolling is to bully to someone intentionally. Like Fatima Timbo. Fatima Timbo is a dancer and a model who got trolled on social media for no reason. She posted a video of herself dancing. She got a lot of love, but also she got a lot of hateful comments and messages. Because of trolling, she got depression. Because of trolling, people start to point out the private life of a person.
Yes, sir, you are quite right. And same like that, there is another dark face of the social media is called as honey trap. Now, a lot of guys don't know about what is the honey trap. It is also same like the trolling, fake profiles, and the fake newses. In this, the people make the fake profiles, but not to trap the normal people. They trap to the soldiers, cyber security of the India, like the any country, and it is also a case in 2019 in November with the army. There was a soldier named Webo Behar who was trapped in this. He got a fake profile and a message from a girl who was a ISI agent from Pakistan. He got trapped totally in that, and he shared a lot of information about the security of India. And he also helped her to enter in the border of India. For that, he was trapped by the honey trap, and it was all about that. So be aware of the honey trap.
According to my point of view, social media sites are born, but children and teenagers must be guided.
Yes guys, social media has lot of benefits. It helps you to approaching people from a long distance. It gives you equal chance to show your talent.
Yes, miss, tell your views about social media.
Yeah, social media is neither boon nor ban. It is totally depend on how we use it. So that's
Okay, so miss, tell your views about social media.
nowadays many students are learning from social media, which is pretty beneficial for them. But sometimes it is not, because whenever we get any notification from social media on ourselves, we are not able to control ourselves, and we are going on chatting and scroll in our cell phone. It is very bad for students. They are not able to give chance to their study, and later it become a great reason of regression.
Yes sir, that's also right. We can post our doubt on social media and can get rid of our problem or doubt. So sir, what do you want to say about this?
Social media means sometimes scrolling. Nowadays people are just scrolling and they don't care about time. But if they don't care that their future is spoiling, like many celebrities and influencers are making video on social media apps. So teenagers are also copying, then they also make video and try to become famous. They just run for the followers and subscribers. Even they are not listening to their parents.
Yes guys, social media plays an important role in empowering citizenship by enabling them to facilitate coordinated collective action and producing change in their community. Yes miss, what do you want to say about this?
Yes, I think social media has a great advantage. Look at YouTube. It plays a great role in social media. It provides all the information you want to know related everything, like our subjective problems in science, math, cooking, dancing, and much more. We can attend lectures happening in America while sitting in India. There are many famous YouTubers who earn money from YouTube. Look at great YouTubers, TikTokers, and Instagram celebrities. They got a lot of fame by social media.
So guys, in the last, I want to say that social media is both boon or ban. It has both positive and negative side, but it is a great tool if operated with good intentions. In the last, I want to say that don't use social media to impress people. Use it to impact people. That's all. Thank you.